Hello everyone and welcome to Shorthand Pro. If you are looking to get the job of stenographer, then you are at the right place. Hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell. You are the first to know when I upload anything new.
Be ready for the dictation. The dictation will start after 5 seconds. Start. This law created the National Capital Civil Services Authority (NCCSA), effectively returning bureaucratic control to the LG and the Chief Secretary, and overriding the Supreme Court's decision. During the period of governor's rule and subsequently under the lieutenant governor's administration, Jammu and Kashmir witnessed a governance model dominated entirely by the bureaucracy. In the absence of an elected government, senior civil servants assumed full responsibility for both policy formulation and execution. While this arrangement ensured administrative continuity and institutional stability, it also exposed the inherent limitations of governance without direct political representation. Further, after the reallocation of the administrative cadre from the erstwhile J&K cadre to the Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram and Union Territory Agmut cadre, a new set of bureaucrats took charge of key administrative responsibilities in Jammu and Kashmir. Many of these officers, though professionally competent, were unfamiliar with the region's unique socio-cultural fabric, geographic sensitivities, and administrative nuances. This lack of acclimatization often led to policy approaches that did not fully align with regions' diverse aspirations, sensitivities, and complex ground realities, impacting the effectiveness and relevance of governance at various levels. In many cases, frameworks and guidelines were adopted wholesale from central models or replicated from other states, with minimal adaptation to the local context. For instance, public procurement norms often failed to account for the capacity and constraints of local businesses, inadvertently putting them at a disadvantage. Large scale development projects, though ambitious in scope, were frequently implemented by outside contractors, limiting the participation of local industries and workforce. Similarly, departments tasked with promoting key sectors like MSMEs, handicrafts, horticulture, and tourism increasingly took on regulatory roles, with limited emphasis on facilitation, capacity building, or hand holding, an approach ill suited to a regional economy deeply rooted in tradition, informal networks, and community led livelihoods. This period highlighted the importance of political representation in policy making, not only for democratic legitimacy but also for ensuring that development strategies are grounded in the lived experiences and needs of the people they aim to serve. Stop. End of dictation.
Thank you for watching the video. If you want more dictations like this, please click on the playlist. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends.